Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ubuntu Pro for enterprise security updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Ubuntu Pro registration page. Sign in or create a new Ubuntu One account. Provide the necessary details in the registration form. Check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your account. Once logged in, locate the subscription options. Choose the plan that suits your enterprise needs. Complete the payment process if applicable. After the payment, return to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Manage Subscriptions. Select Add a subscription for Ubuntu Pro. You will see options for different Ubuntu versions. Choose the version you wish to register. Follow the prompts to finalize the registration. Next, access your terminal on the Ubuntu machine. Update your package list by entering sudo apt update. Install the Ubuntu Pro client with sudo snap install Ubuntu Advantage Tools. Once installed, run the command UA attach your token. Retrieve your token from the account dashboard. Paste your token in the terminal and hit enter. Confirm that the registration was successful. Check the status of your updates with UA status. Your system is now registered for enterprise security updates. Enjoy enhanced security and support for your Ubuntu installation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.